What's going on, everybody? It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It is December 7th, 2020. I wanted to hop on here late and throw up a video on YouTube for my daily video here through the month of December. And I've had a lot of amazing feedback from what's been taking place on the Kawasaki Extended Warranty side. If you have been anywhere on the forums, on YouTube, on Facebook, any of these channels, you've seen that we are absolutely dominating the Kawasaki Extended Warranty program, and we have an amazing, never heard of, never will be seen of again sale going on through the end of the year. Now, I have got a lot of calls and a lot of texts and personal messages and even some pretty interesting messages on YouTube about why I'm only showing the love for the Kawasaki guys when it comes to the extended warranty. Well, there was no real reason behind that, and so I decided to develop a special program for all of you Yamaha fanatics. We've got the R-Max, we've got the Wolverine, we've got all these exciting side-by-sides from Yamaha, and you guys have been feeling a little neglected. I understand that. And so I wanted to come to you from my home tonight and share with you that tomorrow, December 8th, 2020, we have developed a Yamaha Extended Warranty Program special for all of you guys with Yamahas. You do have to be within your factory warranty time period, and that does vary depending on what side-by-side ATV motorcycle that you may have. So, how does it work? The best thing to do, just like with the Kawasaki Extended Warranty, is text your VIN to 435-851-3637. That comes to me. That's my personal cell phone number. I will punch it in Yamaha's system. I'll make sure, one, that you're available for Yamaha Extended Warranty, and then I will message you back with pricing. And if everything looks good to you, you can give us a call or say, hey, Jared, call me when you're free, and we'll get the extended warranty rolling for you as well. If you are not comfortable with who I am or with sending some guy off of YouTube your VIN, you can certainly look up Big Pine Sports on Google. You can check out all of our awesome Google reviews. You can call the shop, 435-427-3338. We have been a dealer since before I was even born, 1976, you guys. And of course, we love Yamaha. We love the R-Max. We love the Wolverine. We love the Grizzly, the YZs. We are Yamaha just as much as we are Kawasaki. So I wanted to share with you guys that are Yamaha fans through the end of this year, 2020, a special promo for the Yamaha Extended Warranty as well. If you have any questions, post up in those comments below. We do monitor our YouTube page every single day. We try to get back to you guys as quickly as we can. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Again, the shop, 435-427-3338, or my cell phone, 435-851-3637. What better gift than the gift of Yamaha Extended Warranty in your future? Have a good night, everybody, and hit us up.